Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, here we are going to discuss the topic which is the comparison of physical properties of alkali and alkaline earth metals. So, here we will discuss about some physical properties, and in the physical properties, we include what will be the color of that substance, what will be its melting point, its boiling point, what is its appearance, and what will be the density of that substance. All these properties are known as the physical properties. And here we will discuss about the alkali and alkaline earth metals, in which the alkali earth metals or alkali metals, simple, they are group 1A elements that are found in the first group of the periodic table. On the other hand, when we talk about the alkaline earth metals, these are the group 2A elements and they are known as alkaline earth metals, and the some properties in which the alkali metals, they contain one electron in their valence shell and their electronic configuration of valence shell is ns1, and the group 2 elements have two electrons in their valence shell and the electronic configuration of their valence shell is ns2. So these are the some simple properties of the alkali metals. Now we will have detail about their physical properties. The first one property is their appearance, that how do they appear. Basically, the sodium here, this is belonging to group 1A, and we have magnesium and calcium, both belongs to group 2A. Now, what will be the appearance of the simple alkali metals, which is sodium? It is basically silvery white, and it also have the metallic luster, mean it have some shiny surface. It is very soft and it can be cut easily with the knife, and the symbol of the sodium we have Na. Then we have magnesium. It is also silvery white but harder than the sodium. And calcium, which is also a alkaline earth metal, it is silvery gray and fairly harder than the sodium. Then we have the atomic size or the ionic size. Ionic size we have done over there because they can be easily changes into the ions by the loss of electrons, and by the loss of electrons they changes into their cations. Now basically what will be the size of their cations? The size of the sodium cation is 182 to 102, and the magnesium atom is 160 and then 72 by the loss of electron. The calcium is having 197 but its ion is having 99. So the sizes like 186, 160 and 197 are the atomic size. This is the size of an atom. But when it just lose the electrons, its size become 102, 72 and 99. So the atomic size of the magnesium and calcium will be smaller as compared to the sodium. Then here we have its relative density. What will be the density of these metals? The sodium, its density is 0.98 gram per centimeter cube, which is less than water, so it can float on the surface of the water. On the other hand, the density of the magnesium or the alkaline earth metals is 1.74 and 1.55 gram per cm cube. It's mean they are more denser as compared to the group 1A elements, as well as compared to the water, because the density of water is almost 1 gram per centimeter cube. So they are more denser, they will not float over the surface of the water. In turn, they will be settled at the bottom of the beaker when they will be placed in water. So they have more density as compared to the water. Then we have their physical properties of malleability, conductivity, and their melting point. Here, the malleability of the sodium. Here we have the magnesium, and then we have here calcium. Malleability means how they can be easily converted into the sheets, whether these can be converted into sheets or wires. This property is called malleability, and converting them into the wires, this mm, is known as the ductility or ductile. Sodium is very malleable and ductile. It can be easily converted into sheets as well as wires. But when we talk about the magnesium and calcium, it is also malleable and ductile. Calcium is also malleable and ductile. So this is a simple property that is common with both alkali and alkaline earth matters. Then we have their conductivity. Sodium is a good conductor of heat and electricity because it has free electrons. Now, again, magnesium and calcium, they are also good conductors of heat and electricity. So this property is also common of all alkali and alkaline earth matters. After this, we have their melting point, and what P means melting point. Melting point of sodium is 97 degrees Celsius, magnesium 650, and calcium 839. So when we move from left to right, from group 1A and group 2A, then the melting point of group 1A elements will be low and the group 2A will be higher. It's mean the bonding between magnesium and calcium is very strong as compared to the sodium. Then we will talk about their boiling point and their ionization energy. The boiling point of sodium, magnesium, and here we have calcium. Boiling point of sodium is 883 degrees Celsius and of magnesium is 1090 and calcium is 1484 degrees Celsius. So the boiling point of both alkali alkaline earth metals, magnesium and calcium is higher and of that is lower. Then we talk about the ionization energy. The ionization energy means the energy required to remove electron from the valence shell. Ionization energy of sodium is 496 and the first and second ionization energy of magnesium and calcium is higher. And flame in air. When we just burn the sodium metal, it produces the golden yellow flame, while the magnesium produces the brilliant white flame, and the calcium produces the brick red color flame. So that's why these metals are also used, like the magnesium can also be used in the firework as well. So this was a simple topic about the physical properties of group 1A and group 2 elements. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the reactions of alkali and alkaline earth metals. Now we will talk about their chemical properties, that what will be their chemical properties in detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.